Time for a walk down memory lane. Here she is. Okay, but why is it raining? I stood in the middle of the country. Happy Monday. I have a bus at 9:30 to get to Madrid, so that is the plan. I just had breakfast. I could barely eat. I don't know, I just like don't have an appetite. Yeah, it's like 8:45, so I don't know. I'm just feeling super weird. Everything about this feels weird, but it's fine. It's fine. Room tour. All right. I think it's a king bed. I think maybe a queen. I don't know. There's like things if you wanted to unpack. There's actual hangers. We have a desk, shower stall, sink, and toilet. It's pretty cute. So I'm only staying one night here, which is sad, but better than nothing. They let me, so basically I had to check in and pay my full fee that I was gonna pay from Expedia to do one night here, which freaked me out because one night here is way less than that. But supposedly Expedia is then gonna refund me. So as long as I get the refund from that, that's no problem. But there is one switch that was very surprising. Ready? The bed glows, and that glows too. And then I think you can like pick the color. Oh yeah. That's fun. So I'm all checked in. I feel like I should go explore and just try my, ooh, that was lower than expected. Just try my best to like enjoy my one day here. I leave tomorrow early-ish, like early enough that I'll want to get to the airport and stuff on the earlier side. So yeah, I think I just need to like actually try to have fun here, even though I'm in like a weird headspace. I just need to get this out of my system at least. There's the bear. And here we have my old metro stop, Ruben Darío. Time for a walk down memory lane. We're gonna walk by my old institute, where our classes were, my old apartment. Back then, I don't even know how you took video on a camera, like a separate camera. Here she is. And right down the street is my apartment. I swear I got the best homestay of anybody. It is walking distance to Seoul and a block from the institute. Some people lived in like the outskirts of Madrid and had to like take buses or trains or whatever. Just roll out of bed and walk a block. I was so lucky. So here's my old apartment. The door is open, but I don't remember what my apartment was. This used to be a little bakery. Now it looks like a full-fledged restaurant. Another restaurant. A florist, maybe another restaurant. Pharmacy still there. That's our Veeps, where we'd always go after classes every day. Not every day, but like almost every day. My old shopping mall. How ornate these buildings are. Back at the hotel, I'm exhausted. My phone's battery is super low. My charger is messed up. The one that like I normally use like is not charging it, and it's not the power. It's like the cable is got messed up. And the thing that I am using is like barely charging my phone. It's charging so slow, so great. Here's the view. Okay, but why is it raining? All right, I'm gonna go explore the city again. I stood in the middle of the country. If you're looking for chocolate con churros, this is the place. Dare I say, I think the Plaza Mayor in Salamanca is kind of cooler because it has that clock tower. Like, there's just something about it that seems fancier. I don't know. At the top of the Corte Inglés Callao. The sky is pretty. Well, last night in Spain, probably for a while. I'm really sad. I think I did the best I could with today under the circumstances. I think I probably, I could have stayed and done one day of the program, but then I can't even imagine trying to get up at 5 to take a bus, or I guess I'd be getting up at 4, and then that would be so nerve-wracking. So I do think this was the right move to just get here, but I still haven't heard from them and I'm still feeling weird about it. And I'm just still feeling sad that I'm missing a whole week of time in Spain, but I really need to go home. Holly still isn't really walking right. She can't walk around, so she can't drink water, she can't eat, she can't do things by herself, and she needs me. You know, my husband's been dealing with it alone for all these days now, and he's been doing an amazing job, but he can't do it alone. She needs me there, he needs me there, so I'm super sad, but I hope that whatever I filmed today is a reasonable vlog. I really enjoyed bringing you through. There's a weird hair on the bed and it's freaking me out. I really enjoyed bringing you through the places that I went when I studied abroad. I was not a vlogger back then. That wasn't really a thing. Facebook was basically just getting invented. So I really had fun, and I really do think I did the best I could with what I had. So also I got, 22,395 steps today. I got a Metro Pass with 10 rides on it, and I've only used one because all I did was take it from the train station to here, and then I walked the whole rest of the day. I walked like a maniac, because I walked from Puerto del Sol to my old apartment, and then from my old apartment to Puerto de Alcalá, and then Puerto de Alcalá back to Sol, which was insane. And then of course I walked more on top of that. So go me. Anyway, I feel like these past few days have been weird, and I don't know what the vlogs are gonna look like. So if I made some vlogs that were watchable and you watched them, I really appreciate you. So thank you. I do not know if I'll be vlogging when I get home now, because barn is closed for the week and I'm on dog duty now. So yeah, this is not what I was expecting, but we're gonna roll with it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed. I will be back. I really don't know. I'll probably vlog tomorrow, like getting home, but I don't know. We'll see. But subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.